Today is Sunday, March 4th. The time is 1:51 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011 Panini Certified Football Break, break number 13. This break is sponsored by Blowout Cards. www.blowoutcards.com. Good luck, everybody. Tony Gonzalez, Falcons. Matthew Stafford, Lions. Reggie Wayne, Colts. Immortals, Emmitt Smith, Cowboys, jersey. Serial numbered 59 out of 99. Sean Green, Jets. Frank Gore, 49ers. Vashante Shenko, Vikings. Eddie Royale, Broncos. Certified Potential, Clyde Gates, Dolphins. Serial numbered 115 out of 999. Donovan McNabb, Vikings. Malcolm Floyd, Chargers. Devin Hester, Bears. Adrian Peterson, Vikings. Clay Matthews, Packers. Mirror, serial number 9 out of 25. Chris Johnson, Titans. Hines Ward, Steelers. Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals. Brian Cushing, Texans. New Generation autograph, Ryan Kerrigan, Redskins. Serial numbered 45 out of 250. Josh Freeman, Buccaneers. Deshaun Jackson, Eagles. Felix Jones, Cowboys. Reggie Bush, Dolphins. For redemption, I'll save that to the end of the pack. Danny Amendola, Rams. Braylon Edwards, 49ers. The redemption is a mirror red signature, card number 230. Looks like the card number 230 should probably be Robert Hausler. That's the New Generation. Is the only one listed as 230. I will verify that and include that in with the notes along with the links to the breaks. but it's mirror red signatures, card number 230. Tony Romo, Cowboys. Hakeem Nicks, Giants. New Generation, Tyler Sash, Giants, serial number 932 out of 999. Marshawn Lynch, Seahawks. London Fletcher, Redskins. Donald Driver, Packers. Ray Rice, Ravens. New Generation, Nick Fairley, Lions. Serial number 964 out of 999. Fabric of the Game, rookie, Colin Kaepernick. Serial number 78 out of 250 for the 49ers. Mike Tolbert, Chargers. Kenny Britt, Titans. Charles Woodson, Packers. CJ Spiller, Bills. Redskins, London Fletcher, mirror, serial number 22 out of 250. Mike Wallace, Steelers. Buccaneers, Kellen Winslow Jr. Maurice Jones-Drew, Jaguars. Julius Peppers, Bears. New Generation, Jeremy Curley, Jets, serial number 731 out of 999. Jeremy Maclin, Eagles. James Lateratus, Rams. And the last pack, Mike Thomas, Jaguars. Carson Palmer, Bengals. New Generation, Marvin Austin, Giants, serial number 291 out of 999. LaDainian Tomlinson, Jets. Patrick Willis, 49ers. Thank you everybody for bidding. If you guys check out my other eBay box breaks, ending today for 2011 football, I have Absolute Memorabilia, Top Supreme. Also listed for 2011 football, Panini Timeless Treasures, Panini Gold Standard, Panini Crown Royale, Panini Limited, Topps Triple Threads. For 2010 football, I have both Panini Limited and Panini Crown Royale. For 2011-12 hockey, I have Panini Crown Royale, Panini Certified, and Panini Limited.